Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader Nexo. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP for 24th March 2021. So this analysis is for 24th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 25th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart and let me take out the pencil. So we can see that right now market is running at 0.8630 and at last there is some movement in the market. Okay, which is good news. As you all know that Euro GBP was in heavy downtrend. Okay, and somehow it took support in this range. Okay, and surprisingly this range has provided the support to the market. Okay, and right now it is trading above the resistance. uh, Overall, I was telling you to avoid Euro GBP for last couple of days because market was flat. Okay, and still I'll tell you the same thing. Okay, because see, you can see I have drawn a line here which is the support. Okay, and this is the box. This box designates the resistance. Okay, so until and unless market crosses this level, we will not look for any long position or any buying position. Okay, until and unless market crosses this level. And right now market is trading here, looks positive, but just look at this position. Okay, market is in overbought zone right now. Eventually market will come down, and so it is not the ideal position to any or execute any order. Suppose you buy here. Okay, suppose you buy here. Okay, and your stop loss will be here. Is not it? Your stop loss will be here and this will be your target. Okay, your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, so that's why you should avoid this kind of trade. Okay, but yes, you can look for a trade as this level is providing good support, extreme support to the market. Okay, so in case market comes down and hits the support level, okay, then just observe the price. If you see that yes, price is about to bounce back from here, you can get the confirmation in the form of a hammer, candlestick pattern like this, bullish engulfing pattern like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, this level is still providing the required support to the market, you can go for a buy here above this level 0.8535. Okay, and in case it crosses this level, then that's a different chapter. Okay, that's a totally different chapter. I'll be covering that chapter tomorrow, because if market crosses this level also, we need to wait for at least one day, okay, to get the confirmation that yes, sellers are back to the party again. Okay, so that's not required for today. Okay, so if market comes down and takes support at this level, go for a buy. Okay, and right now do not go for buy position or any long position, because the risk to reward ratio does not match and it is against the discipline of any trader. Okay, as I already say or always say, discipline is very important for a trader to stay afloat on the market. Without discipline, a trader cannot survive. Okay, so just wait for the market to come down to the support level so that you can make money from 30-40 pips. Okay, or if you want to get a clear picture on Euro GBP, then wait for the market either to cross this level or this level. Okay, till then just avoid Euro GBP for any heavy position. Okay, this is not the ideal pair to execute the trade as of now. Okay, just wait and watch and observe, that's it. So this is the simple analysis for Euro GBP. uh, Hopefully you've understood. This is my analysis. Okay, if you like the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. All the best. And do not forget to subscribe.